Look at that, Zippy! A dark shape is following me everywhere I run on the grass. Every time I jump, it jumps too. What could this mysterious visitor be?
That is your shadow, Atharva. You see, light from the sun travels in very straight lines. It is very fast, but it cannot go through solid things like people or trees. Bloop! Whir!
So, because I am solid, I am blocking the sun's rays from reaching the ground. It is like I am a shield for the grass behind me. Let's see if this ball makes one too. Thud! Exactly! And look how your shadow grows long when the sun is lower. It is like a giant version of you. The shape changes depending on where the light is coming from. Shadows are just places where light cannot go because we are in the way. It was so fun learning with you today. Friends, if you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon for new videos. See you in the next adventure.